Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Question for you. Are you in need of cash and have been turned down for a business loan recently? And are you thinking about using one of those online lending platforms? If you are, I want you to stop right there. Don't do it. Just say no. Turn around and run. Run as fast as you can. The reason why I say this is because oftentimes these online lending platforms are not exactly what they're cracked up to be, meaning that if you're having a cash crisis right now and you can't make your payroll and or you're having problems paying your daily bills, your operating expenses and whatnot, and if you go down this route with the online lending platforms, you could actually be hurting yourself more in terms of cash flow crisis than where you were originally. So what do I mean by that? So there's a reason why your lender turned you down for that loan. Okay. They didn't turn you down because they're being jerks. That's not it at all. They're turning you down because there's something fundamentally not right with your business. I don't want to say wrong or whatnot, but you could be hemorrhaging cash and profit. And with these online lending platforms, what happens is they come across as looking like really good, super low interest rates and whatnot. But here's the deal with them, guys. They are not regulated, or they're not very tightly regulated, if you will. So there's no state usury laws and whatnot that pertain to these platforms. And so oftentimes what looks like a really good interest rate, I've seen one loan where the business was actually paying like 42% interest. Yeah, 42% interest. So if you're not in a cash crisis already, can you imagine paying 42% interest? You're better off getting a credit card. Don't do that either. Don't do that. But what I'm saying is, oftentimes what they don't tell you is that your interest rates are actually considerably higher. And the reason for that is because of the risk. You're not qualified based on anything other than an algorithm. That's not good business practice. The other is the fact that not only are you not qualified or qualified using algorithms, but oftentimes these payments are due daily, where they will actually withdraw from your checking account. So you have absolutely no control over this payment whatsoever. So if you're in a situation where you're thinking about going down that path, give me a call or give any SBDC consultant a call so that we can take a look and take a deeper dive into your business to see just exactly what is happening here with that. Like I said, don't do it. Online platforms, the majority of them, you can get yourself into trouble. There are some good ones out there, so just be aware of what you're doing. But truly, I would say work with your bank. There's a reason why they're saying no. It's because the business can't afford it to begin with. So that's my tip of the week. Stay away from online lending platforms. Come and see me or any other SBDC consultant if you're running into cash flow issues and your bank turns you down for a loan. We may have some other options available to you. Have a great week. Shanna Ben Alkin, IEDC, SBDC. Have some coffee.